Vince, I love your face expression.
I got you something last year.
Sorry.
You gave me my blush. How sweet of you.
Yeah, and your Germex is over there too.
My Dermix.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
What is it?
Him?
Oh, it's a teddy bear. Show me the schnauzer.
I'm a schnauzer.
Oh, it's a little jag.
No, its name is Shelby.
Shut the fuck up.
Whose present is this?
Where'd it go, Stephanie?
It's in your hair somewhere.
Right there.
Mine?
Yeah.
Woo! You can probably tell what it is.
Vince, you look.
Stop sign? Thank you, Stephanie.
Oh, yay.
Did I get a stop sign for Christmas?
Y'all just throw all
Yeah.
the trash down here. Miranda, I'm about to open yours so you can get ready.
Okay, whose is this?
That is my grandma.
Alright.
This is a picture frame.
I bent the fork.
Yeah, don't ruin it.
How cute!
The fork is bent.
What the fuck? You cannot, no, you cannot use short.
Open it.
Right now?
Yeah.
He broke your
Stop
phone.
sign.
He's using utensils.
Stop
Bent the
it!
fork.
He bent the fucking fork. Your fork.
Dumbass duct tape bent it. You know what? Fuck this.
I got both of these motherfuckers.
No
What
shit!
is it?
Kid Rock and Jason Aldean.
Yay.
Oh, thank you.
It tastes like ramen noodles.
What is this? Holy shit! You got a crap. You got. Look! You love the tape.
It's okay. Okay?
How am I supposed to record all these people?
Stop!
I don't even know.
You can stop recording right now.
No, it's
No.
okay. We have to get all of y'all.
You look like a dog.
Stop.
We got
Okay, I'm
Trevin
just gonna
last
look at
night.
You can't touch it. Do not. You're gonna break it. Okay, I won't.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one layer down. 4 more to go.
That's what I feel like. Here, you can have your present back.
Oh my god, your tooth is bleeding.
Did you get a haircut?
Don't fucking know. I've been wearing my same hat all night.
I thought he got a haircut too. I wasn't gonna ask though.
No. Can I open my gift?
No, so let's just record it.
Stop recording me.
Mm-mm.
No.
I know what it
forever.
is.
Yeah, I know it took Trevin 12 minutes last night. Somebody used Miranda's
who's-
phone.
Oh, those are both
I
Kayla's.
can't.
You can't record?
No, I got 3G.
So do I.
I can't record video somehow.
All you gotta do is switch it
Fucking
from the
jank
camera to.
iPhone.
I don't got it.
Jank
That's gay.
Cause mine's a 3G too.
Then show me how you do that.
Let me see.
I got camera, that's it.
Careful, you're getting off events. You're gonna clean all that shit up.
That's
too.
weird cause
Like
see,
it.
mine's like that, but I have to like the little slide things right there and it changes the video.
Get mad, Vince.
Get mad.
Is there
and
for
get
real
glad,
4 layers of
and
that?
then stroke.
Hiya! That's my
And the
vagina.
It's 100% recyclable.
And be stroking.
Be stroked.
Be stroking to the east.
My
and
brother
stroking
was
to
doing that
the
this
west.
morning.
And stroke it to the
Ew!
woman. I love Beth.
Yes.
Yes, I
Stroke
take
it.
my teeth.
Chubby, enough of that, please.
Lip gloss. I know it's lip gloss. No, it's
It's
not.
it's perfume.
That's a
No,
big
it's
ass
not.
lip
How do you
gloss.
know all this stuff? How do you think you know?
I can
anyways?
feel it. It's gooey. You're gooey. See, feel it. Does that feel like lip
My
gloss?
vagina's
Hiya! Vincent!
Her
that's the
coochie's
lid right there.
gooey.
Yep. And that's perfume.
I don't want your slobber.
What brand? Probably the Philippines. Because I nearly still heard every time.
Shelby, you have green tape in your hair.
She
Oh,
does
man.
too.
My boobies. Where?
On the side. Poor Vince.
Hey, wait.
Is that a foot?
No, I missed.
Yes, fucker.
Damn, I'm gonna run out of memory with all
You
these.
think?
Bitch.
Fucker.
Stop it, Stephanie! She's trying to open her present.
Right there. Remember Mason, the owner at Sports Bar?
Stephanie, leave it
Right
alone!
there. That's how he used to point.
Oh my god, this is really just pissing me off now.
Stephanie, stop it. Be careful, that's fragile.
You got crazy with the tape.
Watch out. Put that down somewhere so I don't spill it, please.
Damn.
Have
If
yourself
this is something like
a
a
merry
$3 something, you dick. It's chocolate.